Open your web browser and go to support-fb.fujifilm.com. Or you can go to the Fujifilm Business Innovation main page and click on the Support and Drivers tab. Use the search bar and type your printer model. Example, APOS C3570, then press Enter. Scroll to the Drivers section and choose your macOS version. Look for the recommended Mac print driver. Then click the download icon. Double-click the DMG installer file. Then double-click the installer package and follow on-screen instructions. Note: enter your Mac administrator password when prompted, then continue. Installation may take up to 1 minute. Once complete, click Close. You may move the installer to trash, or you can keep it if you wish to reinstall it. Next step is to add the printer. Click on the Apple icon. Go to System Settings, then click Printers and Scanners. Click the Add Printer button. You can either select your printer model from the list, or you can set manually using the printer's IP address. To set manually, click on the IP icon, then type in the printer's IP address. Ensure protocol is set to Line Printer Daemon, LPD. Based on the IP, it would detect the printer. You can put a name to identify your printer. Click Add, then click OK. Your printer is now installed. You can do a test print to check if it works.